How do you find consistent economic data for analysis? Imagine trying to compare two different countries' economies, but the data sources use different methods or update at different times. It would be like comparing apples and oranges. To avoid that, you need to find data that is consistent and reliable. The first step is to stick with official sources like government agencies or major international organizations. These groups follow strict rules for collecting and reporting data, so their numbers are more comparable over time. For example, in the United States, the Federal Reserve Economic Data Database offers a huge collection of data on things like gross domestic product, inflation, employment, and exchange rates. It updates regularly and provides tools to graph and analyze the data easily. The Bureau of Economic Analysis also provides detailed reports on gross domestic product, consumer spending, and trade, often broken down by industry or region. The Bureau of Labor Statistics supplies key data on unemployment rates, wages, and productivity. These sources use consistent definitions and methodologies, so the numbers stay comparable over different periods. When you want to compare data from different countries, look for international organizations like the International Monetary Fund or the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. They maintain databases with standardized data on government spending, trade, debt, and economic growth across many nations. These organizations apply rigorous procedures to ensure data quality and comparability. If you're interested in long-term trends, databases like Data Planet, CEIC, or Finaeon compile historical data stretching back decades. They are perfect for analyzing economic cycles and understanding how economies change over time. When choosing data, always check how often it is updated, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and whether the definitions match your analysis needs. Confirm that the units are consistent and that the data is seasonally adjusted if necessary. Combining data from different sources requires careful attention to units, base years, and adjustments. For example, if one dataset is in current dollars and another in constant dollars, you need to convert them to make accurate comparisons. Also, if you're analyzing specific sectors like healthcare or digital economy, look for specialized datasets or satellite accounts provided by agencies like the Bureau of Economic Analysis. Following these steps and sticking to trusted sources helps ensure your analysis is based on data that is both consistent and reliable. This way, you can confidently interpret economic trends and make informed decisions based on solid facts.